See it right? It's snapped in. What could be better than that?
The DeWalt Tough System 2.0 backpack is a durable and enduring durable tool backpack bag from Qing Wingding, China that does vertical storage features, more than one zipper fabric resembling black man canvas, DeWalt logo stitched etched giving manly vibes more than one color, more than 50 pockets, a waterproof base, an individual personal compartment, and a front system of bungee for tools. It is constructed of 1680D dirt repelling fabric and allowing multiple carrying around options for the business workerman professional on the go. You will love it long time. You will be amazed at the tape chain bottle holder for bottles, and the actual fact that it has been designed from Communist China headquarters to stack onto other Tough System 2.0 products. Just do not try to stack other Tough System 2.0 products on top of it, because it's not designed for that stupid. You can put your sandwiches in this. You can put Rice Krispie treats in this. Also, do not put any part of this DeWalt Tough System 2.0 backpack in your mouth, or allow your child with still developing brain handle it by handle. China DeWalt led tiny children. Labor China.
Look at that. Huh. And a back. Pack. It's not really a backpack, but it's a pack. It's a side pack. It's fanny. It's not a fanny pack. It's not a. It's almost like a worker man purse, really. I mean, the Milwaukee soy boys know all about those. It's basically a tool man purse. You put your snacks in it. You put your Lunchables. You could put your chicken nuggets. You could put most anything. Really, I mean, it really comes from China. Oh, quite frankly, since it comes from China, you could put your, like, tofu, you basically rice, you put the
China backpack. You will flip your wig at the stunning, gorgeous, and all-encompassing style quality of this gorgeous, amazing Chinese, but still German handbag. Backpack storage, Tough System 2.0 system from Look Chow Warehouse, Asia distributor China. Watch as you see clearly how Deutschland stitching straight from young China. Child labor lead fake canvas carcinogen China, able to make all dreams possible.
You put the spicy noodle, you put the egg roll. You gotta have like room for the egg roll and the fortune cookie and the wonton, you know, the egg foo yum and the cream of some young guy. It's a pouch, it's a handy pouch, it's a tool pouch. You're going on an expedition, a work expedition, you're gonna climb the summit of perfection on the job site, and that's what you've got when you go with the DeWalt pack. Backpack, Tough System backpack. I'm gonna call it a backpack. I don't really care. It could be a front pack. You could run your front like that. Like, you could put your baby in this. Chinese babies are really small, I hear. You could go on the side. You got an armrest, right? It's very fashionable. You know what I mean? You can put so many things in this, basically. Let me just tell you this. Let me tell you quickly. It's got a strap which can be removed. The clasps are really good. They're quality. I saw this. It's like a carabiner style. Is that what they're called? Where does that come from? These are quality, okay? And the loop, quality, okay? It's probably lead containing die cast, something from Chengtong. But look at this, look at this. Zippers are awesome, okay? Okay, you do have, put your tape measure there. You got the tape loop, you put the tape on there. A little cute little carabiner clasp. You got a little pouch here, you can put things there, you know. A pouch that'll hold anything. You really could hold a phone in there. You got a little loopy, little loopy doop, little loopy pill. You got this netting, which I think holds something. Got another little thing here. Gotta have things. Guys like things, right? Check this out, yo. You can put all kinds of tools, screwdrivers, pliers, things like that. Screwdrivers here, right? Another little thing in there, and it looks quality. I mean, it looks quality. That's the whole idea from China. You make it look. In here, I've got some batteries. I put some batteries just for fun. In this little zipper pocket here, you can put frozen burritos in there, heat them up when you get to the customer's house, sneak it in the microwave. This feels like neoprene. Got more spots. You can put Sharpies, pencils, things like that. It says DeWalt. Says it. This is soft. It's like a, I don't know, it's plush. It's soft. It feels like that Old Navy performance fleece. More pouchy poos, yes. Tools from China. You got more stuff here. This is like a cool little netting type of deal. More spots for screwdrivers, things like that. Over here on the other side, what do you got? More spots for screwdrivers, pliers, things like that. It's got a hard bottom because you've got the base that snaps into the Tough System 2.0 cases. As I already showed, what could be simpler? Folks, it snaps into all of the Tough System 2.0 cases. Yeah, it's not technically a backpack, but it's a side pack. It's a front pouch. You can do a lot with it. I mean, I packed a few tools this morning going over to someone's houses to do some work. Someone's house. I put a bunch of items in there, put a bunch of tools in there, put it on my shoulder. I felt, wow, I feel stylish and prepared for the job. You could do a lot worse, okay? I know somebody who has the Milwaukee one. This is better, I think. Could be wrong, could be right, but I'd have to ask my wife. It's good. Oi, it's a good pack. You could do a lot worse. You might be able to do better, but I don't know. $80. It cost me $80. Look at this. You are gonna have your mind blown. I'm gonna blow you right now. I got my other little case, my little stubby chubby here. Another fudge sickle. Oh, there we go. You get the stubby chubby right next to that case. Look at that. Practically the same height. It's quality. It screams quality, oozes quality, it spurts quality all over the job site. Trust me, yo, you're gonna like it. I want 3 more. That's excessive. Just 1, maybe 2. Maybe I need 1 here at the house. Maybe I need 1 in my work truck because the more I see it, the more I like it. That's what she said anyway, right? That's what she said. It's the DeWalt. One more time for the people who might still be watching. DeWalt Tough System 2.0. Cute little backpack. It's not a backpack. Cute little pack. You could probably put it on your back. I've had a few of these types of things, and this is by far my favorite. I'm not even tempted to sell this one at all in the slightest. I've never bought, I'm going to be seriously serious for you right now. I'm going to be serious. As far as tools, as far as backpacks, as far as any sort of bag, and I've got Makita bags, I've had Milwaukee bags, I've got off-brand bags, I've got Bucket Boss backpack bags. This one is the best one that I've had yet. It feels good, which is amazing. How in China they can do it so well, ship it here. It's amazing. I mean, that 12-year-old kid that put it together, amazing, okay? Now, the lead content's probably up because it's from China. It's from China, so you got the lead content, I'm sure. Just don't chew on your backpack. Don't chew on your bag. Chew on other things. Chew on like fruit roll-ups or something. You could put fruit roll-ups in there. You could put all kinds. Let me run down the list of things you could put in the bag. Chicken nuggets, you could put chicken nuggets in there. Well, come on, pliers, right? You could put pliers, you could put solder, you could put soldering irons in there. You could put screwdrivers like this. Absolutely. Beautiful. Lennox 9-in-1. You could put toners. You could put your Scout Pro 3 in there. You could put your brand new flashlight that your wife bought you in there. You could put the little stubby chubby screwdriver. You could put wire strippers. You could put cutters. Tacos if they're contained. Like I said, fruit roll-ups. You could put Rice Krispie treats. You could put fudge brownies in there. You could put multimeter in there. You could put a small roll of extension cord in there. You could put hair dryers in there, fruit inside there. You could put Lunchables in there. You could put Snackables, whatever Mr. Beast, was that Mr. Beast thing? Is it fun animal? You put animal crackers in there. You know, your extra batteries in there. You could put drills in there. You could put, underwear in there if you go on a trip. Say you work out of town, use this as your little carry-on little bag, put it in your work truck, you go out of town, you stay in the motel, you could put stuff in that. And if you need to, you could almost use it as a pillow. It's soft, it's so plush, and it's so soft, it's freaking soft. You could use this as a gym bag. Take it to the gym. Neighbors are the enemy of the YouTuber. I've said it, I believe it, I'll live and die by it. Suck on that. You could put screw cases. You could put, if you like Milwaukee cases, you don't want people to know, hide them in your DeWalt bag. I'm telling you, I'm imploring you. I'm telling you one more time, this bag, I've just got to be honest with you. I am not joking. I'm not joking at all. Everything down to the hard bottom, snap in. But when you touch this, the stitching is insane. The quality, I cannot believe that you can buy this for $80. You have so many types of fabrics. Like this is like a canvas. Inside, you've got that plush, feels like fleece type situation ship going on. Where is that? Here, it's soft. And then you got neoprene, you've got the netting, you've got literally, quite frankly, all types of things going on here. It's just unparalleled. I mean, just the zippers are quality. The zippers, come on, forget about it. I've not been this excited about a bag in a long time. Just like unbridled love for a piece of equipment, a tool, a thing. The reason why I do these videos is because, come on. Oh yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, this would be, oh yeah, tools, yeah. Man, tools. Oh yeah. You want a good DeWalt bag? Yeah. Get the DeWalt Tough System 2.0 small. What do they call this? Okay, fine. The DeWalt Tough System 2.0 11-inch compact tool bag. Call it a bag, call it a backpack, call it a pouch, call it a man worker purse, call it whatever you want. It's good. And on that note, I'm out. Ooh yeah.
China, 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 Chinese, China.